Hello everybody, my name is Alex. I am a Senior Account Executive at GDMFX. We'll start with the North American markets. The Dow Jones moved up 4 points. It was at its highest level ever. The Nasdaq moved up 22 points and the FTSE was up to 94.22 from 93.35. The Victoria Day in Canada was yesterday. We had a bank holiday. Also in the US, we had the housing market index come out 3 points, worse than expected. And we had the 3 and 6 month bill auction, which came out 0.05% less than previous. The biggest mover yesterday was the USD Canadian dollar, 13 points up. Onto the EU markets, the DAX went up 170 points. The CAC 40 went down 40 points. Yesterday, the only event we had was the Swiss retail sales, which came out negative at 2.8%, with the consensus at negative 2%. Today, we will be awaiting the German ZEW Survey, as well as the news for the EuroZone, namely the CPI and the EU trade balance. The biggest mover was the Euro USD, which declined by 12 points and is already 10 points down today. Onto the UK markets, the FTSE 100 lost 28 points yesterday and closed at 69.62. Also, we had the 10-year gilt yields, which were at 1.88% yesterday. We'll be waiting for tomorrow's rate hike vote. Okay, onto the Asian markets, we had industrial production month-on-month in Japan, which came out 0.5% worse than expected. However, the machinery orders month-on-month and year-on-year were quite better. In New Zealand, an increase in New Zealand inflation expectations damped bets on the central bank cutting interest rates as soon as next month and drove up the nation's dollar today. All right, on to commodities. In commodities, the S&P 500 index had a range of 16 points. It's at 2127 right now. It went up to its highest level ever, along with the Dow Jones that I mentioned earlier. The gold futures Monday scored a 5th gain in a row as investors gauged the metal's appeal ahead of the release of the Federal Reserve's April meeting minutes Wednesday and Greece's International Monetary Fund repayments next month. So the gold had a range of $11, trading at $12.22.74 now. Silver had a range of 28 cents at $17.53 now. WTI had a $1.80 range at $60.28 now. Natural gas is trading at $3.03 at the moment, had a range of 6 cents. So thank you for your attention, everybody. Again, my name is Alexander, and until next time, bye-bye.